Today we're trying a new Hyperscape scan provided by the Game Kitchen. This scan was made in Tenerife, and let's give it a try. This video is part of a playlist of Hyperscape scans. As you can see from the scan, it captured very well all the buildings, the plants, the street art, and of course the vegetation is more tricky to appear in the scan, but it did a pretty good job. So from here you can see there are some palm trees, and you can see here all the stairs. You can even go up in the stairs. You can see all the graffiti. And if you look closely, you can see also far away. So it captured at a distance. It's quite impressive. See, over there? That is far away, but it managed to capture everything that is more or less nearby and some basic shapes. Also on the other side. And here in proximity, it didn't capture the concrete that well. This is something I noticed also when I try to capture the sand. And see that person? So that person was captured as well. Overall, it's a pretty cool scan, and I like the sunlight as well. Yeah, so it's pretty cool, and thanks the Game Kitchen.